welcome back for my final morning report analysis video of Wednesday 28th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold. Now, we've got gold that is in a trading range in the last, 3 months throughout 2018. Every time it sort of rallies towards the top, sort of fails, and every time it gets towards the bottom around 1300 to 1310, it rallies. So seemingly, in the last couple of days, we've started to see the market rolling over again. Is this the end of the bull run higher, or the run higher within the range? Maybe so, because let's look at this pivot around 1340. Well, the resistance, the old resistance, which turned supportive around 1341. A close back below that, the market starts to look a bit more corrective. Certainly, then you've got a little bit more support between 1330 and 3036, 3036.60. To sort of think about, but the market would then be sort of losing momentum. It's already lost momentum, hasn't it? Similar in the sort of move that we saw back here, back in February, where we saw the RSI sort of bottoming around 40 to 45 area, topping out around the sort of low 60s, and then starting to build negative candles again. After a series of positive candles, we start to see the market building negative candles. After a series of positive candles in the last week or so, we just started to see the market building negative candles. So if it closes back below 1341, I'm starting to get a little bit more sort of worried. I say worried, a little bit more sort of the realization that once again the market has rolled over. 1356.60 being yesterday's high. Again under the resistance, 1361 to 1366. I mean, you could argue $10 worth of sort of support band at the bottoms, and I could add in $10 worth of sort of resistance at the top. So you've got the resistance at the top and the support at the bottom of this range, and the market seems to sort of fluctuate between the two. So just bear that in mind as the market is starting to roll over. You've got the hourly chart, which sort of has lost that impetus of the trend higher, started to form a sort of lower high and start again a lower low. We've got the momentum configuration, which is turning a bit more corrective on the MACD lines and the RSI. So a move back below 1330, which is again a breakout level. That is basically midpoint of the range, isn't it? Pretty much there or thereabouts. And you start to turn negative again within the range, but it certainly looks as though the market is rolling over, possibly on gold again. Lack of trend, continuation of this range phase. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again next time. Thank you.